If I want to create quickly a set of baseline or continued dimensions, I can use my Quick Dimension tool. When you click on Quick Dimension, it asks you to select the geometry that you would like to have dimensioned. Now I could select these one by one, or I could use a window. And when I right click, I get a preview of what the dimensions are going to look like. I have options of how these dimensions will be placed. If I right click, you notice that I can pick continuous, and these are placed as continuous dimensions. If I Quick Dimension and choose staggered, then I'll get dimensions that are staggered and they're spaced accordingly. If I choose Quick Dimension and choose baseline, then I have a set of baseline dimensions, all dimensioning from this base edge. When I have two extension lines that cross each other, I should break one of the extension lines to let the other one pass through. I can use my break tool on my dimension palette, and when I activate this tool, it asks me to select the dimension with the extension line that's going to be broken. The default is auto, so if I just hit enter, it automatically finds that extension line and breaks the crossing point. Notice that my dimension continues to act as one unit, so I haven't exploded my dimension in the process of creating a break. Or even if I adjust my dimension, that break point will stay in the same place. To remove a break, I use my break tool again, choose the same dimension. This time I'll use a down arrow to look at my options, and I'll click on remove. And now I've removed that break. When I have a set of stacked dimensions like this and I want to adjust the spacing so that they're even, I can use my adjust space tool to evenly space these out. To use this tool, I click on it and it asks me to select a base dimension. So the base dimension would generally be the first dimension closest to the object. And then select the dimensions that I want to space. I can select these by clicking on them individually, or I could use a window. Once I've selected all the dimensions that I want to space, I hit enter, and I can either enter a value or I can use auto. Auto is the default. If I hit enter right now, it automatically spaces those dimensions. I can also adjust the spacing by entering my own value. I'm going to choose adjust space. Again, I'll choose the base dimension, and then I'll choose, using a crossing window, those other dimensions. I'll hit enter, and this time I'm going to enter a value of 0.5 for the spacing of my dimensions, and now they've been spaced at 1/2 inch apart.